Hello everyone, this is Danny from Holtop. Today I'm going to present to you our booth and products. Right now I am in Shanghai New International Export Center, and it is the greatest event of HVAC and refrigeration event in China and around the world. Today you may not able to attend this exhibition, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to present to you the latest products and technology of Holtop today, and you are going to not to miss them out. Firstly, let's have a brief look at our booth. Our booth number is W3F41, with the area of 172 square meters, which is quite big in this board. Holtop is a leading manufacturer of air-to-air heat recovery ventilator, air-to-air heat exchanger, air handling unit, and other disinfection purification products. And Holtop headquarters and the work production base is located in Beijing, holding of 500 employees and with the area cover of 20,000 square meters. The production capacity of ventilator per year is 200,000 pieces. Holtop mastered the core technology of air-to-air heat recovery and energy recovery. And this year's Holtop launched its latest air-to-air heat recovery heat exchanger. We call it 3D's air-to-air heat exchanger. And the heat recovery efficiency is up to 95%. And other residential products. Among these products, you can find the wall mount type, and floor standing and ceiling type. All these type of installation can match customers' residential and commercial building use. Holtop never stops to pursue the high efficiencies and good performance solution for the air treatment with low energy consumption. And this year's Holtop are going to present and launch the latest air-cooled water chiller and rooftop air conditioner unit. And so far, no matter for indoor air treatment and outdoor air handling, Holtop always can supply you a good solution to meet customers' projects in different applications. Holtop's products already export to more than 100 countries and regions, and its product is certified by CE, CB, ERP, or 3C. Holtop's continuously rank on the top position of domestic markets, and we also provide the ODM service for the world-famous air conditioners brand name. Today, we are going to facing the very critical Corona-19 virus. Ventilation, it is the best way and important way to prevent disease from spreading. And as people more and more have good awareness of ventilation and indoor air qualities, Holtop are going to supply you the best air-to-air and ventilation and air conditioning solution. So if you are interested in our booth or our products, you are welcome to visit our pages and send us inquiry.